Welcome in the ShopRenter video tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to manage the text content in the ShopRenter system, which is not so complicated but a little bit more complex things. The contents can appear on the main page or the entire shop at the header, at the category module, or the footer, or all of three. We can choose it by contents one-on-one, and we manage the contents on the CMS and information. We see a table which contains a lot of contents which have a name, a type, an order, and we can edit all of that. We can add a new content, or we can modify an already exist. If we want to delete content, we have to mark it by the first checkbox in the line and click on the delete button at the right top of the screen. Before we want to delete, the system asks for confirmation. If we choose OK, then the delete is happening. If you want to modify the pre-made contents, we have to click on the edit button. In there we can see a lot of settings, and this is a little bit more complicated form. We can firstly choose the title of the content. This is which appears on the footer, the header, or the category module. After that, we have to add the content itself, and we give a lot of options to it. We can add some form, so we have a lot of choice what content we give. After that, we have some optional settings. We can add the SEO keyword, which adds the content a unique URL ending. We can enable or disable the content, so if we want to hide the content for a little time, we have to set the status to disabled, and the content itself remains in the system, but after that it doesn't show in the shop. We can give order above the another content. This means we have to give a number. The higher number means that the content is show down or bottomer, and after that we have to choose where is this content show up. If we want to show up in the header, we have to check this checkbox, and the same if we want to change and show up in the information module or the footer. We can choose three, so this content is show up in the footer and the header and the information module. So that's all. One more thing, if you want to use the information module, that information, we have to go to the settings, appearance, modules. Because this is a module, we have to treat as a module, so we have to setting it up. We find it in the left position, information. If we edit this module, we have to put it in the right or the left side, change the title text, and we can also enable or disable, so set the status. If we want to position in the left or the right position, or we want to use this box appear lower, we have to give another order to it. And if we save, this module can appear lower. So the content is only this, and the module is positioned and used as you want. That's all. Use it wisely. Goodbye.